mountain bikers and friends. Let us have a look at the different generations of CRUZ NOMAD. Let's start with the upper link VPP suspension covering 2005 to 2017. It started with CRUZ NOMAD 1 of 165 mm of rear wheel travel on an aluminum frame of 26-inch wheelset. This was produced on 2005 to 2008. Then comes the CRUZ NOMAD 2 with 160 mm of rear wheel travel on an aluminum frame using 26-inch wheels for 2008 to 2013. The new CRUZ NOMAD 3 was back to 165 mm of rear wheel travel on a carbon frame with a new 27.5-inch wheelset for 2014 to 2017. Then the new generation of lower link VPP comes in, found from its downhill bikes called the V10s. This change added more sensitivity, plushness, and bottomless feeling into the suspension while maintaining efficiency. Let's start with CRUZ NOMAD 4 with a 170 mm of rear wheel travel on both aluminum and carbon frame with 27.5-inch wheelset. This was produced from 2017 to 2020. For 2021 to 2022, it is called now as CRUZ NOMAD 5. The same 170 mm of rear wheel travel on a carbon frame and still using the 27.5-inch wheelset. This is the bike that we will be checking it out today. Every new Nomad iterations brings about an improvement on some way or another. It can be a simplification of production by making the designs modular to cover different sizes, an improvement in geometry with the head angle slacker by 1 degree which make the ride more stable. The seat tube angle moved from 74.5 degree to almost 78 degree for an improved uphill experience, and a new color which is OXBLOOD, and it is really stunning. Visually, you can see the chunky frame with reinforcement in the head tube and down tube. It does look like a battery storage inside for an e-bike. Overall, new frame brings about the upgrade from previous generations, and we will see them every now and then to give new inspiration to riders and a reason for new bike day like today.